people too loud in the background. Dude, I can't record a video, dude. Tower Defense 6. This is game's honestly better than Tower Defense Simulator, I think, but I'm not gonna go into the controversy. As you know, I've played this before. I've played every Tower Defense game on Earth, even the ones that were created in 1 minute right now. The engine is a bit low. There's people screaming. This is gonna be my journey because, or part 1. Well, not technically part 1, but I need this thing. I heard it's good. My older brother also suggests I get this tower, but I'm broke. I don't have money for this. Please, please, someone give me Behemoth Factory. That was necessary, okay? That was necessary. Someone just heard that horrific, terrifying sound. This is the best tower, I think. I don't know. Well, the true best tower is this, and there's like 500 controversy about this thing. So I have basically 0 event towers. Please, someone get me Behemoth Factory. I'm kinda homeless. Let's close the chat, please. Let's close it. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. What? Ah! Got run over by a tank. I got run over by the tank. So the same thing twice. Warship isn't good. I heard it's like over. I don't know. Slammer, I don't like. I don't like this because yeah, I don't like it. I'm never buying it. So this is all the towers I have. If you haven't clicked off by now, what should I buy? What tower do I get? Give me some tips on how to get better, cause I can't even solo elite mode. I have 0 golden towers at level 85. I only have the only jump towers I have is shield. Now I'm not saying commander because I bought it with Robux. Give me some tips on how to get Behemoth Factory quickly, please. I need this tower. Apparently it's very good. Please give me some tips. I'm gonna play now, so I'm kind of confused on what tower I use for early game. Maybe like Grenader. No, we're doing so we're doing like. So my thinking is XMW for DPS, a turret for extra flying detection, shield and commander as a support, blower as an extra support because it's the best stalling tower and it's gonna get nerfed very soon. Me scout helicopter, but I'm thinking of using like bait tower. So bye bye commander. Okay, let's try with this loadout. Knife. I'm sick. I'm so sick. It hurt. My eyes hurt of how sick I am. Shut up, dude. With people speaking loudly is a mess. The audio of my recording, and I'm stuck in this location for like 50 days. Where I them in any way, dude. So you have to constantly be making noises. So yeah, give me a tip on what is the best map for Nightmare. I heard like Castellan Reach or something. So let's put that. To be making noise every time because there are people speaking. Nightmare, when I can't be Ultra, not even the millions of every single town in Golden Warship, I can't. Oh, okay, so I don't know what to do with my money. So, 1 XMW. Helicopter. Max level bubble blower. Let's get a scarecrow. Right here. I don't like this skin. Speed it up a bit. Okay, I have a max level. Boom. Get another max level scarecrow. It's the cheapest bay tower. I'm getting these because of the stupid turrets. They make me so mad, the turrets, that I want to eat a brick wall because of how annoying they are. Get a bunch of scarecrows, alright. I have a 9. Okay. I should get more actually, just in case the turrets that chariots drop are so annoying, bro. I'm telling you. Look how many base towers I have. I'm not losing today. Let's get more actually. Need more of these books. I want to stall them as much as possible. I don't want my good towers dying, so let's get this from 1. I think I should like use Juggernaut. XMW has purchased like this affects it. Okay, AA turret, boom. We're fine with XMW, but like I said, we need extra flying detection. Who knows? Gonna need longer barrels for these guys. Look at this. The amount of scarecrows. Let's get more of them actually. We need to stall them. As many scarecrows. Like, look at this unhealthy amount of scarecrows I placed. This. Let's get this guy at level 4. Oh, I hate you. Those are the most annoying enemies. Okay, let's get this. Level 3 top half AA turret. Get him! Hit him! Shoot him! We're probably gonna lose. I don't think I'm gonna have enough DPS. Oh, here they are! Turrets! Scarecrows! Come on. I have got like 500 of scarecrows for this. Why are they going for my bubble blower? What the hell? There's 500 scarecrows and they're still going for my bubble blower. What is this? This is racism. This is absolutely racism. I have a 500 bubble blowers. I have 500 scarecrows right there, but you rather shoot my bubble blower. What is this? This is super racism. Let's get this. Dude, I should have brought medic or something, but I don't have medic. I'm gonna need another shield. Stop firing at my bubble blower. Stop it. Stop being so mean. Let's get this one on bottom path. Kill them all. Yes, scout helicopter. Get him. Shield, save them. This whole shield. Save them. Oh god. I mean, they weren't even doing anything. Bubble blower. Get him. Oh! There. We're killing. Alright. This is... No, stop it. No, stop ruining my master plan. We're gonna need more XMW turrets now, quickly. Kill that stupid chariot. Kill these stupid turrets. Get out. Okay. Get that. You have some. Oh god. Well, thank god we have scout helicopter to make them not hidden. Oh yeah. I hate you guys. You always ruin my runs. Oh well, these chariot turrets, these are my #1 enemy because they just sit here killing him. Protect the scout helicopter. Okay, so wave 12 is a bit of a scary wave. We're gonna want Can I look a few more? Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna need way more XMWs to actually gaming. Have some good PS. Oh god. No. Okay, we have the scout helicopter. We're just gonna make this easier. Oh god. They're actually getting pretty far. We're gonna need more power. Max out the scout helicopter. Thumpers, no. Okay. They're gonna be a problem. Okay. More anti-air. You got it. More of these boys then. I see it. Okay, please my XMW turret. I'm probably gonna get this. Get this. Yeah! Get eviscerated. So let me get this. Let's get this, yeah, it's good. Oh, yeah. Wait, I actually need more. Kinda give me. We're gonna need a lot of anti-air. Let's get all of many AA turrets I have. Bro, I have okay. Avatar. Oh! Eviscerated by my 500 AA turrets. So I got to like wave 20 last time I did solo. Die, Avatar. Wait, I didn't notice this thing actually attacked. Oh my god. They're killing him! They killed him! Ugh! Good thing this kill helicopter. Let's get this passive healing. Dude, I have to calm down. I'm busy. Let's get this. No way, look at this. Quickly. Get a ton of the XMW turrets. Oh god. Stop. XMW turrets, get in. Stop running. God, spam. No. Okay. Zeus. Bro. Ah. Kill them all. No. No. God. Die, Eradicator. Die now. No! Die! 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 Yes! He dead. Oh God. What towers died? All of my AA turrets. What the? I got. No, get up, get up. AA turrets, AA turrets. Okay, getting four, getting four. Oh, I lost to these guys. Oh no, why is it going? No, oh God, this is the bad wave. They gotta have 500 XMWs in the back. Oh my God! Okay, we're alive. What's dying? I lost some towers and I don't know what they. Oh, it was all of my scarecrows that were alive still. Let's get them. But they were alive. There it is. We're still kicking, I think. Probably gonna go to hell. Dude, this guy's so strong. Die, die. It's too powerful. Oh no, grumble. Oh God. Go, kill him up. Get him. I went silent mode because I had to lock in. Die. Upgrading all of the XM turrets in the back. Check. Get them out. More. Get close. Look at this. Yeah. Alright, just this anti-coal. aerial. Oh nah. They gotta have 500 AA turrets. Okay, let's get this thing max. Look at this. Max it out. We got this. Oh no. Look, we have scarecrows here. Where are you? Get them instead. These scarecrows instead. Please, please. Kill the scarecrows instead. What's happening? Damage him. That's it. I'm not losing. I have lost many times. I need to get all these. I think I kind of wasted those golden zeds, you know, right? Okay, here we go. Okay, guys, I think that was a bad call. These are 3 golden zeds. It's fine though. Okay, it's not fine. I'm scared. Why is there more than one? What's happening? That was too stressful. I'm cooked. Oh my god! Oh my god! No, 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 get it. I think I'm gonna end it there. La 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 la. That scared me. I'm gonna end the video here. I can't solo diver.